U.S. oil prices fell to a new 6-year low on Wednesday. So where is the bottom? I'm joined by Dan Dicker, senior energy contributor to The Street. Dan, where do we go from here? We saw Citi recently make a $25 oil call. I mean, will we get there?
I don't see that at all. I mean, one of the problems with oil that goes down below, even below $60, now we're nearing $40, is that it's catastrophic for the economy at large. A lot of oil companies are going to go broke at these prices, and a lot more are going to go broke a lot quicker as prices obviously sink lower. Still, that leads to a lot of layoffs, lots of jobs. So far, tens of thousands of jobs have been lost. If oil stays below $40, hundreds of thousands of jobs will be lost, and I'm talking about really good paying middle class jobs, jobs that pay, $50,000 to $150,000, jobs that really support families. These are not Target jobs or McDonald's jobs. These are jobs inside oil services companies. These are drilling jobs. These are transport jobs. These are trucking jobs. Very, very important for our economy, and to a large degree, to keep oil not moving down to a level that low. I don't really think it's going to get there.
Also, clearly broader implications for the overall economy. I mean, oil stocks themselves have been pummeled, but other sectors have held up well until now. So what happens at $30 oil to oil stocks?
Right, and I think that a lot of the damage that's been done to at least the well-financed oil stocks has been done already. So while you might get a number of bankruptcies in some of the marginal stocks we talk about a lot of the time, and I tell people don't play around with, some of the other stocks have already taken a big part of the beating. Stocks like EOG, Anadarko, Continental, Cimarex. I think a lot of these have taken most of the abuse they're going to take, even if oil drops another $10 from here. And so what I'm telling people is not to do it immediately, because things are not going to get better very quickly, is to start developing portfolios or some positions into some of these oil stocks, because as we know, oil stocks as a sector have really underperformed everything else for the past 2 years.
So do you like all of those names, or do you have specific favorites within the group?
Yeah, those are the ones I really like to talk about. And what I think is supposed to happen here, and not immediately, but over the course of the next 3 or 4 months, is you're supposed to rotate out of those sectors that have done particularly well in a stock market that has done particularly well over the last 2 years, and start picking at names for the next 2 years, the next 3 years, in oil stocks that have done particularly badly over the last 2 years, and I think will have better fortunes ahead. Not right now, but over the course of the next 2 years.
Oh, we like ending on an optimistic outlook. Thanks so much, Dan Dicker, The Street senior energy contributor. And I'm Brittany Umar for The Street.